guys, so finally nakasod na ta sa Naga boardwalk. Kay gani nag-question mo ta sa mga security, but we have folks from the tourism department right now. And gikan may gibundak og ulan. So medyo wet look ta karon and basa pa ang masawag, of course. Na si Suroy Tabay and Mayan is there. They're both wearing red. So guys, tourism in Naga will be back, and they're back and lively again tomorrow. So you can actually visit the Naga City St. Francis Ocean Park grounds. If you can see at my back, kuha na siya guys. Those are 4,000 lighted parols here in my background, and we were able to witness the lighting of the parols just tonight, and the event was hosted by OJ Simafranca, of course. So this is a very beautiful place. First we went to Aventinos over there to have our snacks. It wasn't really snacks, it was a heavy meal. We had pizza, we had pasta, and then we headed to the ceremony there here in my back. And after the ceremony we went to Ostings by the sea, and it was just on top of Aventino. So my gosh, it was a very fun experience. We had heavy snacks, we have heavy dinner, so I can share photos of what we ate at Ostings. And we also had fun with a live band. They actually auditioned. Shout out to DOS. So nag-audition pa to sila sa Ostings, but I'm really sure and I'm very confident na madawat mo guys, because you really performed well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions about what we vlogged today, please do leave them in the comments below. And if you want to show your support to my channel, please do click on that subscribe button below and tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for joining us today here at Naga. I hope to see you again on my next vlog, lovies. Bye!
Funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you Can I help it if I dream of you ever?